Melissa, Twitter is suing Elon Musk in Delaware court for violating the $44 billion merger agreement that he made with the company. Twitter is seeking a court order to force Musk to close the acquisition at the $54.20 a share that they agreed upon. Just looking through the filing here, it says, quote, Musk apparently believes that he, unlike every other party subject to Delaware contract law, is free to change his mind, trash the company, disrupt its operations, destroy stockholder value, and walk away. Going on to say this repudiation follows a long list of material contractual breaches by Musk that have cast a pall over Twitter and its business. Twitter brings this action to enjoin Musk from further breaches, to compel Musk to fulfill his legal obligations, and to compel consummation of the merger upon satisfaction of the few outstanding conditions. So I think what's really interesting here, Melissa, is not only are they saying they're trying to close the deal at the $54.20 price, but they are laying the groundwork to look for damages, payments of damages, as well as that $1 billion break-in fee if it does not go towards a full closure of the deal. So as expected, the suit has been filed, and here we go in the next phase of this Twitter-Musk drama.
As the drama turns. Julia, thank you. Julia Borston, it's like a soap opera here at this point. But Karen, you've been trading the soap opera.
Yes.
And the stock is ticking higher in the aftermarket. And this after a 4% gain in the regular session. So pretty much the way you gamed it out to be. What's your next move here?
Right. So my next move is I think this will read very, very well. As I said last night, this is the A team. There are plenty of A teams, but this is the A team. It's going to be very compelling. I do think they have the better side of the argument. So I think it's going to read very, very well. The stock will trade up. Then, so I have these very short-dated options. I'll probably look to sell those. I think that the next event is either the response by Musk's team, which I think will be good. I think this will be better, what we're going to see tonight or tomorrow. And I think then after, also we have earnings, which we talked about last night. I don't think those will be good or memorable, and Twitter should do everything they can to just pretend they didn't really happen, which they'll try to downplay it, I'm sure. But I think the compelling argument is that Musk will need to close. It's Delaware. Who knows? Court, anything can happen, but I think that's the most likely outcome. So at the moment, I'm staying long. This could change tomorrow if it trades really well.
Yeah.